kabayaran ng kasalanan ay kamatayan. Dahil makasalanan tayo at just si God, kailangan pagbayaran natin to. Mapupunta tayo sa impyerno. Lahat tayo papuntang impyerno na. Just si God. Pero, lagi natin naririnig, God is love. Paano magiging just at loving at the same time? Doon papasok si Jesus Christ sa picture. He came down, became flesh like us, lived a sinless life. He died for our sin. Binigay niya yung sarili niya. He who has no sin became sin for all of us para makuha natin yung righteousness. Cross, yun yung perfect place where justice and mercy met. So, justice is getting what we deserve, which is hell. Mercy is not getting what we deserve, which is hell. But in addition to that, God gave us grace. We became children of God. Hindi ka lang kinuha sa impyerno, mapupunta ka pa sa langit kasama siya. Inadapt ka niya.